In April, I paid €700 a night for this hotel. Now for my birthday in July, it's €3,400 a night. It's the same hotel, the Marbella Beach Club. It's the same room category. But €3,400 a night, that's nearly 5 times price increase. Same beach, same great cocktails, same fake shawls sold from the beach. It's a great place and it has a really great vibe. However, that's a huge jump in the price. It's the same dinner, same standard, same service in the grill. Rudy's bar will be the same. Terrific cocktails each night and a really amazing entertainment, albeit fresco in the summer months. No, luxury isn't the difference. The difference is simply timing. So should I go back in July or should I wait? Let me know. What would you do?